Tax season is upon us, and whether you've been tackling your taxes for years or you're filing for the first time, it's natural to have questions. Filing taxes can feel overwhelming, but starting early and being well prepared can save you time, reduce stress, and even save you money. This guide will tackle some of the most common questions about tax preparation and provide actionable tips to help you breeze through the season with confidence. From organizing your documents to claiming deductions, our expert advice will ensure you're ready to maximize your refund and minimize headaches. Why getting a head start on tax season matters. Many taxpayers make the mistake of procrastinating, only to find themselves scrambling to meet the IRS deadline. Starting your tax preparation early ensures you have the time to 1. Gather your documents without rushing or risking errors. 2. Identify potential deductions or credits that could lower your tax liability. 3. Address potential issues like missing forms or seeking professional assistance well before the deadline. The early bird doesn't just get the worm, they enjoy a stress-free tax season and a potentially higher refund. Tax preparation tips to make filing easier. 1. Organize your financial documents. A well-organized tax filing process begins with your paperwork. Gather all relevant documents, such as 1. W-2s or 1099s for income statements. 2. Records of deductible expenses, including medical bills, charitable donations, and education expenses. 3. Mortgage interest forms, 1098, investment income forms, 1099 INT, 1099 DIV, and rental property records. Store these documents in a single folder or use a digital organizer to keep everything at your fingertips. Being organized not only saves time but also reduces the chances of missing something important. 2. Familiarize yourself with tax deadlines. Mark your calendar with these key dates. 1. January 23rd, IRS begins accepting tax returns. 2. April 15th, tax filing deadline for most taxpayers. 3. October 16th, final deadline for those who filed for an extension. By knowing these deadlines, you can plan your filing timeline ahead of time, avoiding late penalties and unnecessary stress. 3. Take advantage of tax preparation tools. Technology can simplify your tax preparation process. Consider using software or online platforms for filing, such as TurboTax or H&R Block, which guide you step by step. Many of these tools also offer error detection and deduction suggestions, helping you maximize your refund. For those with multiple income streams or complex returns, investing in professional assistance or partnering with a trusted advisor like SD Meyer can ensure everything is handled properly. 4. Don't forget about deductions and credits. Maximizing deductions and credits can significantly lower your tax bill. Some common opportunities include 1. Charitable contributions, cash donations, or the fair market value of donated goods. 2. Medical expenses, expenses that exceed 7.5% of your adjusted gross income, AGI. 3. Education credits, lifetime learning credit or American Opportunity Tax Credit for education expenses. 4. Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, designed for low to moderate income individuals and families. Make sure to save all receipts and records to back up these claims. If you're unsure which deductions apply to you, a knowledgeable accountant can help narrow them down. 5. Double check before filing. Errors in your tax return are more common than you might think. Take the time to double check the following before submitting. 1. Social Security numbers and personal information. 2. Employer identification numbers, EIN, on W-2 or 1099 forms. 3. All calculations, including those done by software. A small mistake can delay your refund or even trigger an audit, so be diligent before clicking submit. 6. Plan ahead for next year. Preparing for tax season doesn't need to be a once-a-year event. Adopt these habits to stay tax-ready year-round. 1. Track expenses as they occur rather than sifting through a mountain of receipts at year's end. 2. Set up estimated tax payments throughout the year if you're self-employed. 3. Keep updated records to avoid scrambling for documents next April. Making these steps a part of your routine will simplify future tax seasons and help you file with confidence. Common tax season FAQs. 1. What's the fastest way to receive my tax refund? Filing electronically and opting for direct deposit is the fastest way to receive your refund. These methods reduce processing times and eliminate the risk of mailing delays. 2. What if I can't pay my taxes by the deadline? If you owe taxes and can't pay in full by the due date, the IRS offers payment plans. File your tax return on time to avoid penalties, then apply for an installment agreement. 3. Do I need a professional accountant? Hiring a professional isn't always necessary for simple returns, tax software often suffices. However, if you have a more complex financial situation, such as owning a business or investments, an accountant can save you money and ensure accuracy. 4. Can I file my taxes for free? Many taxpayers can file for free using the IRS Free File program, especially if their income is $73,000 or less. Check if you're eligible before turning to costly software or services. 5. What should I do if I make a mistake on my tax return? No need to panic. File an amended return using IRS Form 1040X. Keep in mind that you have up to 3 years to correct mistakes after filing. Take charge of your tax season. Tax season doesn't have to be stressful. With the right strategy, tools, and expert guidance, you can tackle it with ease. Start early, stay organized, and make the most of deductions to optimize your refund and avoid last-minute headaches. At SD Meyer & Associates, we're here to help you every step of the way. Whether you have questions about tax preparation or need assistance with complex returns, our experienced team is ready to provide tailored solutions. Don't leave money on the table. Contact us today to streamline your tax filing process and stay ahead of the curve.